life where you're driving a GTR as your daily driver, living on your own and making more money than majority of 40 and 50-year-olds?
Yeah, no, absolutely not. What is up, everyone? My name is Sebastian Ghiorghiu. I do Shopify dropshipping. I have a private label brand, and obviously I'm a YouTuber as well. Today is Cyber Monday, 8:57 in the morning. Today's a big day for the online dropshipping community, people that sell things on the internet. I have notifications on my phone for my 2 stores, and you guys are gonna follow me throughout the day and see what a day in the life looks like. So let's make coffee. So guys, if you want to be successful, you have to have coffee every morning. Otherwise it won't work. Before I get on my computer and start looking through the ad manager, seeing which ads are profitable, checking the YouTube channel, checking the Google ads, and then just getting ready for the rest of the day.
Alright, so how are your stores and ad performance so far today?
So, if you want to focus, it's 9:01 a.m. We have 87 visitors on this store, 4.56K for this one. I just refreshed it, and then let me pull up the second one. It has 24 visitors right now, and we are at 1.48K. Just a little over 6 grand so far for the day from those 2 stores. So we're actually hoping for a 30K day. That's the goal today between the 2. So you guys will watch as that happens. And actually, I'm going to turn on my notifications right now. Let's do that.
So how much does the product that you're selling today, or if it's 2 products, how much are they selling for each?
$29.99, so $30, and we obviously have upsells in place, selling filler items as well. So the average order value on that store is about $35 to $37. The other store, we sell our product for $60. We have upsells as well, and the average order value on that store is about $77.
So then for the stores you're running today, what niches are they in? Are they in the same one or different ones?
The one that's $30 is in the healthcare niche. So it's health and personal care. So it's actually a pain relief product. And then the other store is it's in the beauty niche. So it's actually part of the makeup industry.
Would you attribute physical fitness or like being physically fit to some of your mental health and success financially and business-wise?
Absolutely. About 6 months ago, I didn't have any morning routines. I didn't have any habits at all. And I was actually pretty overweight. I noticed that when I didn't take care of my body, that I didn't really, because like that's yours, right? That's like the most valuable thing in your life is your body and your health. And if you don't take care of that, then what else would matter more than the body that you have? I've noticed that not only am I more motivated and more excited to get up in the morning, but it's just way easier. So I think they go hand in hand. You should definitely take care of your body. That's the most important thing you have. This is the lower store that we started off. I don't remember, what was it at 9 a.m.? 15 or 1600, but this one's at 2.7K. That hour from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. was a $951 hour. 10 is already a $300 hour, and it's 7 minutes in, so that's cool. It's at 6.4K, so for a grand total of 9,100 so far.
What did you do this year to prepare for such a big day and how is it different from last year?
The way I prepared was just by like renovating the site and adding the actual discounts, actually making the products cheaper, adding new discounts, new colors, new timers, everything. I did all of that last night at midnight. I also increased the budget on the campaigns that I've been monitoring for the last 3 days by 3 to 5x. Pretty much all the campaigns are going to be profitable today because everyone's buying. So I'm not really too worried about it. So we're going to go live right now, and then we have a call. We have a call in 10 minutes, so it's going to be a short live. Today's Cyber Monday. The stores are already killing it. The ads were shut off for 8 hours during Black Friday. We didn't get to capitalize on all of those sales, but today there's nothing in the way. Yo, what's up? I'm good, how are you?
Good, man. Just watched it live.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
If you have a lot of money to spend, you can create like 3 of those campaigns and test 15 interests instead of 5. And now you're spending, if you're doing $100, $300 on the first day. You know what they say? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Did they say that? No?
They do say that, but that's actually not true.
And what is the most important
Oh wait, you
meal?
put ounces in yours.
What is?
Mm-hmm.
Getting drunk at 8 p.m. Alright, we got 5 eggs.
Your oatmeal?
Yeah.
So it's almost noon, 7.8K. So 7.8K for that store. And then 3.46K. That's what, 12,200 so far? I feel like that's probably a little bit behind schedule, but we'll see. Oh wait, what's the sound of that? A girlfriend.
A girlfriend.
We're gonna head over to Dylan and Fabio's place. Basically, this group of people that are coming together to do some pretty remarkable things in the next 6 months. So we're gonna meet at their place and then actually probably go and see a warehouse that we're gonna use as our headquarters. We are at $10,083. We got a few sales here. 5 people purchased 23 active carts, so yeah, $10,083 on that store so far. Let me check the other one for you guys. Right now is at a 4.4K. So we are about $20 away from 15K, which is our halfway mark for the day. The last few hours put us back on track. Just got another sale on this one, so we just passed 15K.
Would you say that your ads perform better and you increase your sales the second half of the day?
I think definitely in the second half of the day, we're gonna see more sales than we did in the first half. The bigger hours are gonna be like 6 through 9 p.m.
Alright, so what was the decision on the warehouses, or what are you guys thinking about?
We want the warehouses because they're going to serve as a headquarters for the group that's coming together. We want more space so that we can all create like this healthy competition between everyone. So it's going to serve as like a central quarters. Meanwhile, we are going to go and see how much it costs to lease a Mercedes because I'm thinking about getting a second car. And I'm kind of tired of the GTR. So we're gonna.
Just your daily routine.
Every day I consider buying a Mercedes. No, this is just pure luck that we're doing it on Cyber Monday. But you know, I've checked on the ads every few hours, and everything seems to be going fine. So it's not like we have to watch it 24/7. You know, we can have some fun. So let's go see what these deals are like, and then after that we'll go to the mall and do some Christmas shopping. Oh yeah, you know, I'm trying to just up my game. We got the Christmas bag. An update on the store right now. Store number 1's at 17.78K. This one's at 8. So that's gonna be 25.7K. So just under 26,000, and we have 5 hours to go. 4,000 in 5 hours. I think we can do it. I think we can hit the 30K. I feel like I keep saying that over and over again. It's the 30K day.
So close.
So close.
With all these business ventures, what did your family and friends think?
At first, they didn't support me. Not in a negative way, they just wanted me to go to college and have like a safer output. But now everyone supports me. There was a phase where like everybody asked what I did and if I could teach them. And there was a phase where like people would ask me for money, like between my family and my friends. But yeah, they support me for the most part now because I kind of keep to myself. I obviously live alone and stuff, so they know that what I do is real. This first store is at 19.92954 and then the second store is at 9.05. 9.1 there, and one more sale until we get the big 20 on that store. So I'm actually gonna pull out my camera because it's gonna happen any second, and it already happened. Dang it, we didn't even get a chance. $29,123 today so far. I'm a math genius.
Do you feel good about how the stores performed today and how what the end outcome was?
Yeah, so I mean, it's 8:22, 8 and 9 are gonna be big hours. 20,568 on the first store, and on the second, $9,406. Short of 30K combined in one day. And yeah, well, and then we had the consultation call, some affiliate things I make money from, and then YouTube ad revenue. As of right now, probably like 31,500.
So you feel good?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a big day.
Any closing words of inspiration?
To everyone that wants to break free and do something different in their life, or anything you can possibly conceive, any situation you put yourself in, I think it's achievable. I think that consistency and effort are the main factors. In a few years' time, you'll be ahead of anyone you used to hang out with. If that's what you think you want in your life, I think you should definitely try it. If you think you want it, you should try it. Otherwise, you'll have regret. So if you even think about it, you should probably do it. Or try it, just so that you can say you did. But put in 100% effort, be consistent. And then if you don't like it, then just do something else. But I think it's possible. I think anyone can do it. This store will probably finish at 10.5, between 10.5 and 11. And I think that this store will finish at 22,500 to 23,000 for a grand total of about 35,000 with everything.
What does a day-to-day look like profit-wise?
So I think probably by the end of the day, probably finish off at about 15%. The smaller stores is a little higher actually. It's probably 20% on that one, 15% on the big one. So yeah, 7,000 take home.